Welcome to one and all. Success for you. பொது அறிவு சிறப்புகள் வழங்கும் டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி மேத்தமெட்டிக்ஸ் ஃபார்முலா a plus b whole square is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. A minus b whole square is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. A power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Log a b is equal to log a plus log b. Log a by b is equal to log a minus log b. M log a is equal to log a power m. A power 0 is equal to 1. 1 by a is equal to a inverse. Sin squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. Sin squared theta is equal to cos squared theta minus 1. Sin squared theta is equal to cos squared theta minus 1. Thank you for watching. Like and share. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you again. All the best. Bye. See you. All the best.